Thank you for joining in, and I have a lot of new markers that I am going to unbox and review here today. So I have, first up here, this is the set from Meeden. There's 48 colors in this particular set. It has a little handle there on the top, and then you can undo these clips and then your trays will come out. These markers here are the dual color, so there's a different color on each side. And you do need to shake them up just a little bit because they've been sitting either on a shelf or through shipping, so you just give them a little shake. And they are both brush tip, so they have that nice point. And there's numbers on the top as well. It's a little hard to see there, but they are there. So then on the other side here, we have a lighter pink. I went ahead and I did some swatches, and this is my Ohuhu journal. Works pretty good. There's no show through on the back when you're doing your layers. But yep, real quick, you can see here all the basic colors. There's some grays, black and white up in the corner there, your pastels, neutrals, all that. So it's definitely a decent set. You have a wide variety of colors there. And then just a little bit of artwork here so you can see everything. Next up, this set here also has 48 colors, but it's just a lot bigger because it's only one color in each marker. So one side is brush tip and then the other one has the little round nib. And the packaging is a little bit different. So again, you can give them a gentle little shake, and they are labeled which side is which if anybody was curious. One thing too about the way these little trays are is just you're going to undo the clips in the front to take them out, but then when you're putting everything back together, make sure that your back pieces like slide into each other and are actually closed, because sometimes they can be off a little bit and you just don't want your back to come out, and then because it will open up. But yeah, other than that, they're very easy to use. I just wanted to show all the colors out together there. And then I'm going to go ahead and do some swatching here real quick. And then I have more artwork in the end. both sets of these markers are really nice. They layer really well. And the only thing I noticed, the black was a little shiny. Not that it's a bad thing, but that was just one thing that I noticed there. And I'm thinking there are no metallics in that set if anybody was curious. So you just have your basics, neutrals, all that. And if you're concerned about like compact art supplies, then you could definitely save room with the dual tip ones. Meeden also has larger sets available for people who wanted even more colors. So yeah, that's it for today's quick little video, and I'll leave some links down below for anybody who's interested. Be sure to like the video, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.